Hey there, welcome to Gtechai, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Roblox Face Camera. Now here, there are a few steps we are going to take in order to enable this. Now what you do now is to click on this straight line icon on the top side here. Now here, what you do now is to slide down and click on settings here, click on settings. Now here, click on account info here, like this. Now here, what you do now is to tap or click on this account info, down facing arrow on the side here, like this. Click on it. And here what you do now is to select privacy and content restriction. Here what you do now is to click on it like this. And here what you do now here is to click on communication here. Now here what you do now is to click on camera input here. Now here you can see another new feature here which is called gameplay collaboration. But here what you do now is to click on camera input like this. Now here what you do now is to turn on this toggle here. Turn it on, make sure it's on. You can see successfully saved successfully. And see, make sure this toggle is on. In order to enable the face camera, here you can see this green icon is on. And see, and that's how to enable face camera in Roblox. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Check out the playlist on the screen or in the description section for more helpful tech tutorial.